Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest,
Hello
and in
guys,
this
welcome to
video
Digital
I'm going to
Digest.
show you
Today I am
how
going
to
to teach you
tag
how to tag
someone
some
on
page or
Facebook
person
page
in a
post.
Facebook page.
Alright,
Here you
let's
can
get
see
it
my Facebook
started. So
page,
over here you can
but I
see
am
this is
logged in from
our
my
Facebook
Facebook
page,
ID. To be able to
and
tag, I
here
need to be
you
logged in
can
from
see
the
I'm logged
page.
in from my
So let's
Facebook
get
ID.
started.
So to tag someone on my Facebook page post, what you have to do is log into your Facebook page. So you have to switch your account to your Facebook page. So here you can see the pages option, and this is our Facebook page over here.
Firstly, click to your page
So
and
now
view the
what you have to do
page as
is click on
demonstrated.
this Facebook page, and now what you have to do is switch
To be able to
with the
change,
help of this
update,
button.
delete, you have to switch to the page.
So now let's switch to our Facebook page. So on the right hand side you can see the
Here,
option for
click
switch
on
now
switch now to
option.
log in as a page.
So click on this option and you'll be logged in as
Here
a
you can add a
page.
post, edit it, and make other required changes.
So over here you can
Here in this
see
video, we
you
are
can
learning
add
how to
some
tag some
posts
person or
and make
page.
some other changes.
So let's jump right in. Before doing that, let me quickly add a post.
So first I'll add a post so that you can learn how to tag someone on this post. So here let's add a simple photo and post it on my Facebook page. Alright, so now let's post it. So it will take some time to post this picture on my Facebook page, so let's wait for some time until the posting is completed. So once the Facebook post has
I have
been
now
posted,
a post in which I can tag a page
so
or a
the
person.
next step is what you have to do is on the right hand side you can see the option for
now
three
click on that
dots
three
icon,
dots here.
and
Click
here
on
click
edit.
on edit post.
Again, click on edit.
So
now you see
again,
a tag
what you have
option
to do
there.
is click on edit.
Click on tag.
And here you can see the option for tag option.
Click on image.
Click over here
No, you can
and
type
click
the name
on
of the
image.
page that you want to tag.
So now you can type the name of the page that you want to tag, or you can just tag someone by searching their name. And once you have done that, you'll be able to tag someone on your Facebook page like this. So here you can see I have tagged Zlatan.
Now it should say with Zlatan
and now
in the
just
post.
click on save
Let's
post.
see if this works.
And here you can see on the top
It
side
worked.
you can see the
This is
person
how you
has
do
been
it.
tagged. So that is how you'll be able to tag someone on your Facebook page post. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.